moments in financial history when an unlikely figure rises from the pit, reshaping the rules of trading with determination, grit, and intellect. One such figure is a woman whose name became synonymous with mastery in commodities and futures, a trader who not only built a fortune, but carved out a legacy in an industry dominated by men. Her journey began in 1981 with a single step onto a noisy trading floor, but what she accomplished in the decades that followed would make her story unforgettable. Born with a sharp mind and a relentless drive, Linda Bradford Raschke pursued her studies at Occidental College, where she earned her bachelor's degree. This academic foundation became the springboard for her remarkable journey into the world of finance. In an era when female traders were rare, she stepped into a domain filled with skepticism, ready to prove her worth. Her professional career in trading began in 1981, when she became a market maker in equity options on the Pacific Coast Stock Exchange. The fast-paced, high-stakes environment was unforgiving, but Raschke thrived. Soon she transitioned to the Philadelphia Stock Exchange, where she sharpened her instincts and built the foundation of her future success. Raschke's real breakthrough came in 1992, when she officially registered as a Commodity Trading Advisor, CTA. This designation marked a critical milestone, opening doors to manage client investments and develop her own trading strategies. Over the following years, she served as the principal trader for several funds, gaining recognition for her skill and consistency. By 2002, her career took another leap forward. Raschke founded her own hedge fund, where she operated as the Commodity Pool Operator, CPO. It was a bold step, but one that proved her ability not just as a trader, but as a leader in the financial world. What set Raschke apart wasn't just her discipline, it was her unique trading philosophy. She became known for her momentum-driven approach, focusing on capturing short-term moves that most traders overlooked. Her strategies were elegantly simple, but highly effective. Buy the first pullback after a new high. Sell the first rally after a new low. These principles allowed her to ride the wave of market trends without trying to predict the unpredictable. To Raschke, the market's first and last hours of trading revealed its secrets. The opening hour, she believed, set the framework for the entire day, while the closing hour exposed the intentions of institutional investors. If the market closed strong, she saw continuation on the horizon. But if a rally in the morning gave way to weakness by the afternoon, she warned it was often a signal of a fading uptrend. High volume near the close was her compass, guiding her trades into the next session. Unlike those who tried to predict the future, Raschke insisted that trading was about reacting to the present. She embraced uncertainty rather than fighting it, teaching traders to remain flexible and disciplined. Success, she argued, came not from forecasting, but from execution, responding with clarity when the market revealed its hand. For her, discipline wasn't optional. Every trade was guided by a plan. Consistency, not speculation, was the secret ingredient that allowed her to thrive across decades of volatility. Raschke's accomplishments were not only financial but symbolic. In a male-dominated arena, she rose as one of the few women to build a hedge fund and consistently outperform many of her male peers. Her fund's performance ranked an extraordinary 17th out of 4,500 funds worldwide in a 5-year period, according to Barclays Hedge. This achievement cemented her reputation as one of the finest traders of her generation. Her story caught the attention of financial authors and journalists. In Jack Schwager's The New Market Wizards, she was profiled as one of the world's most skillful traders. Sue Herrera's Women of the Street also featured her, showcasing her as a trailblazer who proved that women could thrive in one of the toughest industries on the planet. In 1995, Raschke co-authored Street Smarts, High-Probability Short-Term Trading Strategies with Lawrence A. Connors. The book became a bestseller, offering practical insights and strategies for traders hungry to learn from her expertise. For many, it remains a classic in trading literature. Beyond her personal trading achievements, Raschke gave back to the trading community. She served on the board of directors of the Market Technicians Association and even became president of the American Association of Professional Technical Analysts. Her expertise led her around the world. She spoke at global conferences, lectured for organizations like the Managed Futures Association in Bloomberg, and delivered training sessions to traders in more than 22 countries. For many aspiring professionals, Linda Bradford Raschke was not just a successful trader. She was a mentor and inspiration. After decades at the forefront of professional trading, Raschke decided to step back from active fund management in 2015. But retirement didn't mean silence. She poured her lessons into a memoir, Trading Sardines: Lessons in the Market from a Lifelong Trader. The book wasn't just about strategies. It was about the ups and downs of a trader's life, the human side of the numbers. With humor, honesty, and humility, she reflected on the mistakes and victories that shaped her career. For those looking to understand what it truly means to live as a trader, the book became a window into her world. Even after retiring from active management, Raschke never walked away from the markets entirely. She continues to trade privately, staying connected to the rhythm of the financial world. Her enduring passion for trading shows that, for her, it was never just a career. It was a calling. Linda Bradford. Raschke's story is more than a tale of wealth and success. It is a lesson in persistence, discipline, and the courage to break barriers. She thrived in a world where few expected her to, not only earning millions, but also paving the way for future generations of women in finance. Her philosophy that markets reward discipline over prediction, and that reacting wisely is more powerful than guessing blindly, remains a guiding principle for traders today. From her first day as a market maker in 1981 to her recognition as one of the top traders in the world, Linda Bradford Raschke lived a life of relentless pursuit. She navigated markets, broke glass ceilings, authored timeless wisdom, and mentored countless traders along the way. Her journey is a reminder that trading is not merely about money, it's about mindset, adaptability, and courage. And though she stepped back from the public stage, her influence continues to echo through the charts and strategies of traders across the globe. Linda Bradford Raschke remains even now a force, proof that with vision, discipline, and an unshakable spirit, one can master both the chaos of markets and the challenges of life itself.